This purpose of this research is to build or open a late workshop that can be used by Polytechnic students. There are several aspects that we found to perfect this workshop, which consist of several maintenance aspects. Here we provide the organization involved, the layout of the of the workshop that will be built together with the with the maintenance that will take place or that is planned. Apart from that, the standard operation procedure SOP that is suitable for this workshop. We also prepare about the equipment and machine that will be used as well.
Organizations chart or hierarchy chart are the graphical representation of an organization structure. Its purpose is to illustrate the corresponding relationships and chains of command within the organization. Employer names and titles and or job position are generally depicted in a box of or the circle line linking them or other employers and department. By looking the company organization chart, people can gain a quite understanding of how the organization is designed. It's a number of levels and where each employers fit into the organizations.
The scope of work for our building workshop include: first is planning. Planning is to identify the late project to be complete, the resource required and the timeline for completion. Next is organizing. Organizing is arranging for the necessary material, tools and personnel to complete the late project. Next is implementing. Implementing is to ensuring that the late project are complete in accordance with safety regulation and quality standard. Next is controlling. Controlling is to monitoring the process of the late project and ensuring that they are being complete on time and to the required standard. Lastly is evaluating. Evaluating is assessing the quality and effectiveness of the late project and making recommendation for improvement. The conclusion is this type of maintenance involves repairing and replacing any broken or malfunctioning component of a system or equipment in order to restore it to its original state. Moreover, maintenance is also handled by external organizations that specialize in providing maintenance service. This can be a more cost-effective option as it allows the organization to focus on their core business. Overall, there are a variety of type of maintenance and maintenance organization that can help to ensure that equipment and system are running correctly and effectively. Each type of maintenance and organization come with its own benefit and drawback. An organization should consider which one best fits their need.
There are several maintenance strategies when opening a workshop like this. There are two types, namely planned maintenance and unplanned maintenance. In planned maintenance, there are two types of maintenance, namely preventive and predictive. For example, preventive planned maintenance is a rule of us to take precautions and repair problems before the failure occur. This type of maintenance is a routine preventive maintenance that is suitable for cleaning, inspections, and lubrication. There is also a major preventive maintenance that can be used for a major overhaul, replacing worn part and component, and also upgrading and modifying the equipments. There are some benefits to preventive maintenance, such as cost of repairing is reduced, increase the life of the machines, and providing the greater safety and protection to the worker. Other than that, there is also another way to maximizing the equipment's effectiveness throughout the employer involvement. This method is called total productive maintenance, TPM. TPM is a combination of management, operators, and maintenance. This workshop will achieve maximizing equipment effectiveness and zero breakdown, defect, and also accidents. Our plan is a technical drawing to scale, showing a view from above of the relationship between rooms and space, traffic patterns, and other physical features at one's level of structure. And here floor plans layout, a grinder, a metal cutting device, two lathe machine, two doors and store, and two windows, one next to the entrance and others next to a signboard and a whiteboard for a daily schedule. All indicate in layout plan for the lead workshop. Fire is the most common disaster to which an emergency evacuation plan is applied, but such a plan should cover all the possible reasons for evacuations, include bomb threat, chemical spill, tornadoes, or even earthquakes. The emergency evacuations plan strive to create a method by which employers can leave the site quickly and calmly, thereby minimizing the risk of possible injury. Since constant disaster readiness is essential, all employees should be informed, trained, and put through evacuation drill in order to ensure that the process will be proceed smoothly in the event of any genuine emergency. Any emergency evacuation plan must be designed to comply fully with relevant OSHA requirement and regulations.
For safety rules, as all we know, every workshop like this will have safety precaution that needs to be followed. Among the following is wear safety glasses to prevent iron shards from getting into the eyes. Next is long hair must be neatly tied and not left hanging. Wear appropriate clothing such as a safety jacket or wear a workshop apron. Sleeves should be folded or rolled up to the wrist. Only safety shoes are allowed to be worn in the workshop to prevent falling metal from hitting the feet. Besides, any accessories such as jewelry and watches are not allowed. Make sure to use a speed that is appropriate for the work being done, especially as a beginner. Do not attempt to lift any heavy equipment, especially attic near the lathe machine. Next is personal protective equipment. PPE. There are several PPE that are suitable for use in this workshop. Among them is safety goggles, safety shoes, workshop jacket, first aid kit, and fire extinguisher. For conclusion, The implementation of effective maintenance strategies is essential for any organization. Using the right strategies will help ensure the optimal performance of equipment and facilities, reduce downtime, minimize expenses, and reduce the risk of accident and injuries. The strategies should include preventive maintenance, predictive maintenance, and corrective maintenance. A combination of these strategies can be used to maximize efficiency and minimize downtime. Additionally, organizations should use proper safety protocols, document maintenance activities, and use data to improve maintenance practice. By following these strategies, organizations can maximize their efficiency and reduce costs.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Aina Najib Mitramal. My metric number is 10 DKM5B 2013. So today I'm going to present about chapter 4, which is social. As you can see here, this is a table of preventive maintenance schedule for our workshop, which is late workshop. There are a lot of maintenance preventive, which is such as auxiliary filter, exhaust lubrication, electrical cabinet, enclosure, gearbox, oil skimmer, pneumatic, high pressure coolant, and hydraulic. Next, this is the maintenance record for our late workshop. This is a common maintenance task. The first one is lubrication. Lubrication is the most important maintenance task. It should be done on a regular task, such as every day or once a week. This is to ensure the part of the machine are properly lubricated to prevent wear and tear. Next is cleaning. Cleaning is to help prevent the bricks from accumulating and affecting the performance of the machine. Next is inspecting. Inspecting is to help to identify any issues before they become major problem. It includes checking for signs of wear and tear, loose or broken part, or anything else that could potentially cause problem. Next is adjustment. Adjustment should be made to machine to ensure that it is performing as desired. It is include adjusting the feed rate, backlash, and other setting. Next is replacement. Replacement may need to be replaced over time due to wear and tear or damage. You need to do this on a regular basis. Help to keep the machine running at its best. Last one is maintenance record. Maintenance record is keeping the record of the maintenance tasks that have been performed. In conclusion, it makes the task easy by advanced planning and scheduling of the work. Advanced planning and scheduling give chance to the perform to get ready with the tools and equipment. Furthermore, it can be reducing wasted of time in searching the thing. It increase the efficiency and effectiveness of the maintenance. Lastly, there are very last list chance of mistake because everyone is proper assigned for the task and responsible for his or her work. That's all from me. Thank you.
For standard operation procedure of machine (SOP), They are: read the operator's manual and observe all safety precautions for all equipment. Next is, before starting any operation, first check for any potential for tripping or slipping around the machine. Start operational work after being notified or permitted by the duty party. Next is, make sure the main power source is turned off after not using the machine. Make sure that tightening keys, cutting tools, and related works are properly locked to prevent metal from being thrown. Clean the machine area and also the machine that has been used cleanly. For inventory system, the lathe machine workshop store contains a variety of materials, including metal, wood, plastic, and ceramics. For metal inventory, it includes tools such as drill bits, taps, dies, and cutting tools. Wood inventories consist of pre-cut pieces as well as sanding discs. For plastic inventories, it includes screws, nuts, and bolts. And ceramic inventories includes drill bits, cutting tools, and abrasive. For metal material, there are a few examples such as steel, aluminium, copper. For electronic components, circuit boards, resistors, switches, and motors. For tools, there are cutting tools, drilling tools, grinding tools, and lathe tools. In conclusion, the technical lathe machine workshop was a great success. It provided a hands-on learning experience to participants, introducing them to the basics of lathe machine operation and maintenance. The workshop also provided an opportunity for participants to network and share their knowledge, skill, and experience in the lathe machine industries. It was an invaluable learning experience for everyone who attend, and we look forward to hosting more workshops like this in the future.
Thank you, my dear group members, for elaborating all the points. My name is Malagi Chandrasekharan, metric number 10D20F239. Now, I just want to elaborate of the points in 6, that is enhanced research. If you see what is research, there are some of the advantages of CMS, including points we can see increased efficiency. Increased efficiency computerized maintenance management system eliminates the tedious paperwork associated with tracking maintenance and repairs, allowing you to streamline your process and increase your efficiency. More than that, we can see reduced costs. If you want what is reduced cost is, by automating maintenance scheduling, you can quickly and easily identify potential maintenance issues before they become costly repairs. Furthermore, we can see improved compliance. By automating your maintenance processes, you can ensure compliance with safety and regulatory standards as well as industry best practices. Next is greater visibility. What is greater visibility? And greater visibility with CMMS, you can access real-time data to get comprehensive view of your maintenance operations. This data can be used to identify and make more informed decisions. Next is enhanced productivity. Enhanced productivity can be automating maintenance operations can reduce the time required to complete tasks, freeing up valuable time and resources. This can lead to improved productivity and better customer service. The next is, I want to talk about suggestions for improvement of solutions. The slippery solution include commercial, non-treatments, texts, mat, and wall signs. Next is lighting. Full lighting solutions installing brighter lighting, using motion activated lighting, installing window shades. Third electrical hazards. Electrical hazards solutions to include replace outdated wiring using a certificate electrician to make repair and installing such products. Finally, there is two types of pollutions. If you see what is a pollution is, first is lighting pollution and next is noise pollution. If you see solution for light pollution is install automatic filters for light, use LED lights, use low glare frequency, use light shield. Noise pollution solution is reduce from industrial commercial activities, reduce noise from chemicals and roofing materials. This is the point I can elaborate from the chapter 6, and thank you for watching our presentation. Thank you.